China's Youth Day falls on May the 4th. Throughout history, the youth have always been at the forefront of change. In the new era, the young Chinese are making invaluable contributions to building a modern China, beat by beat through their actions. At the Xiaoshan Robot and Automation Corporation Limited in Shenyang, China's Liaoning province, there's a group of young engineers dedicated to the research and development of mobile robots.
研发就是一个从零到一的过程，它就是一个不断摸索、不断慢慢向前爬，就是探索的过程。所以说，研发的过程道路是没有这个笔直的，都是曲折的。
比如说，我们新做出来一个新型的一个传感器，就是把自己曾经的想法都注入到这个新的设备里。
There are also many young people who choose to work in the rural areas to contribute to the country's rural revitalization. Fu Tianxiang graduated from the University of Adelaide in 2020. He later took part in a recruitment test and became a grassroots official in Liujiabu village in Taiyuan, China's Shanxi province.
从我刚开始来的时候，到现在的发生了翻天覆地的变化，我觉得我很有幸，很庆幸自己参与了其中，然后见证了其中的变化和发展。